Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We are currently at Panama City Beach and I'm going to show you some pictures of some things that we are doing. Hey everybody, we are actually leaving Hooked on Pickin and we are headed out to Panama City Beach. We're actually already there. Don't forget, we have a 30% off sale going on today at hookedonpickin.com. It's an automatic discount, so run on over there and purchase. We did drive all the way to Panama City Beach. It takes about 12 hours, but we broke that up into 2 days and stayed in a hotel in Alabama partway down. And so that was a really fun drive. We do a lot of fun things in the car with the kids, asking random questions, kind of finding out about their lives. And, you know, you kind of have them held captive in the car. So that's always a really, really good time, the drive down, especially when we split it up into a couple of days. So here we are. We have arrived at Panama City Beach. We're super excited. This is the view from our condo. Here is the condo we're staying in, so we really love to stay right on the beach just so we have that full access. Here's what the inside of our condo looks like. So much light and it's bright and airy. Here's the living room. We always pick a condo with lots of seating, and of course we love to have a full kitchen because we bring back a lot of our leftovers and we do a lot of breakfast foods in the condo, so that saves us some cash when we're on vacation. So just a really beautiful place. Here's a picture of one of the bedrooms. We actually have 3. The girls are sharing a room during this stay, and then of course we love this view. This is everyone's favorite view of the ocean. And we actually have a corner unit, so we actually have a full wraparound deck, so we have a lot of deck space on our condo view, and we're pretty high up, so that's really fun. I love standing, looking over the balcony, and then watching all the swimmers, and then the wildlife that they don't even know is swimming around them while we're actually there. Just another reminder, don't forget about our 30% off hookedonpickin.com. It's an automatic discount. You can just run on over there. So while we're enjoying vacation, you can enjoy shopping. A full crew is there, so you don't have to worry about it being delayed in shipping. They will ship it right away. Then, of course, our favorite part of going to Panama City Beach is, of course, the beach. The cool thing about this condo is we can rent these chairs. They're actually provided free as long as we sign up for them. So we do the beach each and every day. But there's some other fun things that we love to do. We love to go to Pier Park, which is a bunch of shopping, and it's got a Ferris wheel and a bunch of fun things like that. We love to go there in the evening because it's a lot cooler. And so we go at nighttime. We ride the Ferris wheel. We shop some of the shops, eat at some of the eateries, do some fun things like that. And last year, Faith actually caught a fish off this pier, so we will maybe do a little bit of shopping there, or not shopping, but fishing there, because Faith enjoyed that. Again, don't forget about our 30% off sale. We're running on hookedonpickin.com. And then I'm hoping this year we can maybe do some paddle boarding. Lexi loves to paddleboard, so we're definitely planning on doing that. And then one of our favorite places to eat when we're down there is called Pineapple Willies. It's right on the beach. It has some of the best food I've ever eaten, and the atmosphere is super fun. Then finally we have to say goodbye to the beach and head on back home so that we can continue to give you guys great content. But just like I said, we'll leave the palm trees behind. We'll head on back your way. But during our 30% off sale, we will have a bunch of people shipping things while we're gone, so you'll have no delay. So again, don't forget about that sale. And from the Hooks family from Panama City Beach, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.